Imagine a world where every country has not one, but 11 official names. Welcome to a reality where geopolitical balance shifts and cultural identity expands like never before. Every nation now carries a multitude of monikers, each reflecting a different facet of its history, culture, and language. In this transformed world, the United States is known as the Land of Liberty, the Eagle's Nest, and Freedom Plains, among other names. This multiplicity of identities leads to a vibrant diplomatic rapport. Embassies are now called houses of names, each representing the diverse perceptions of their home countries. Tourists find themselves overwhelmed with options, guidebooks are thicker, and maps now look like elaborate mosaics of labels. Travelers often debate over which name to use for their destination, sparking curiosity and conversation. However, communication hiccups arise as addresses grow complex, turning simple coordination into an exercise in cultural literacy. The global economy booms with the demand for unique nameplates, souvenirs, and identity-based merchandise, fueling industries and creating jobs. Yet, confusion reigns in cyberspace as search engines struggle to index this cacophony of nomenclature, leading to the rise of specialized search platforms catering to each country's many names. But the real twist unfolds in international politics. Diplomats, once constrained by rigid protocols, now exploit the multiplicity of names to reshape controversial narratives. A country embroiled in scandal might choose to trade under a name that carries less baggage, a strategic maneuver that redefines the art of negotiation. And yet, amidst this chaos, the citizens find a peculiar sense of unity. While their leaders juggle names like a deck of cards, people take pride in their country's multifaceted identity, celebrating the tales each name tells. In this new world, a single name no longer encapsulates a nation, it takes an orchestra of identities to play the symphony of its essence.